Hey everyone! Welcome back to Daily English Practice. Today, we have a very special lesson for you, 100 daily usage sentences that you can use every day to speak English confidently. These sentences are simple, natural, and very useful for daily conversations. Whether you're at work, school, or chatting with friends, these sentences will help you sound like a native speaker. I'll say each sentence slowly and clearly, and you can listen and repeat after me. Don't worry if you don't get them all at once, practice every day, and soon you'll use them easily and naturally. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and practice with me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's talk about greetings and basic expressions. Hello. How are you? Good morning. Nice to meet you. How was your day? What are you doing? Please, have a seat. Thank you very much. You're welcome. I'm sorry. Excuse me, can you help me? Let's talk about daily routine and activities. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I usually have breakfast at home. I go to work by bus. I like to read books in my free time. I'm cooking dinner right now. Let's watch a movie tonight. Can you call me later? I'm going to the gym this evening. I need to finish my homework. What time do you usually sleep? Let's talk about asking questions and making requests. Where is the nearest bank? Can you please repeat that? How much does this cost? Could you open the window? Do you know the way to the station? What time does the meeting start? Can I have a glass of water? Would you like some coffee? How long will it take? Can you help me with this? Let's talk about opinions and feelings. I think this is a great idea. I feel happy today. That sounds interesting. I'm a little tired. I don't understand. This is very important. I agree with you. I'm sorry to hear that. What do you think about it? I'm excited for the trip. Let's talk about plans and suggestions. Let's meet tomorrow. I'm planning to travel next month. What are your plans for the weekend? We should try that new restaurant. Can we talk later? I want to learn English faster. It's better to start now. Please don't be late. I will call you when I arrive. Let's work together on this project. Let's talk about talking about yourself and others. My name is Alex. I live in a small town. I'm a student. She is my friend. He works in an office. I like learning English. My favorite color is blue. I have 2 brothers. We are a happy family. They are very kind. Let's talk about home and family life. I live with my parents. We eat dinner together. I clean my room every day. The kitchen is very clean. Where is the bathroom? My mother is cooking lunch. My father is watching TV. I do my homework in the evening. This is my bedroom. Please close the door. Let's talk about shopping and money. I want to buy this. How much is it? It's too expensive. Can I get a discount? Do you take cards? I don't have cash. I'm just looking, thanks. Where is the grocery store? I need to buy some milk. Let's go shopping. Let's talk about out and about. I'm going outside. It's very hot today. Let's take a walk. Where are you going? I'm going to the park. I need to catch the bus. Is this seat taken? I'm waiting for my friend. Please wear your seatbelt. Be careful on the road. Let's talk about common expressions and reactions. That's amazing. I don't know. It's okay. Really? I'm not sure. That's funny. Good job. I'm proud of you. Let me think. I hope so. Let's quickly explain some useful words and phrases from the sentences. Excuse me, Use this to politely get someone's attention or to apologize when you accidentally bother someone. Would you like? A polite way to offer something or ask if someone wants something. I agree with you. Use this to show that you share the same opinion as someone else. Let's, short for let us, it's used to make suggestions or invitations. I'm planning to. A phrase to talk about your future intentions or plans. Try to use these words and phrases in your daily conversations. Here are some tips to help you use these sentences naturally. Practice speaking aloud every day. Repetition helps you remember and pronounce words better. Listen carefully to how native speakers say these sentences. Try to use these sentences in real conversations with friends or classmates. Don't worry about making mistakes, the more you practice, the better you get. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. This will help you improve faster. Thanks for watching. I hope these 100 daily usage sentences will help you speak English more confidently every day. Remember, practice is the key to success. Try to use these sentences as much as possible in your daily life. If you want to find speaking partners and practice English together, if you need a speaking partner, we created a Google form to help you find a speaking partner. Fill out your name, country, and contact details, and we will help match you with someone. Practice speaking together and build your fluency faster. Link in the video description. It's totally free. We will connect you with others who are learning just like you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Daily English Practice, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.